Have you ever wondered why we believe something just because it feels true? Why we repeat bad habits even when we know they're wrong? Or why we make fast decisions we later regret? Here's the truth. Your brain doesn't like to think. It's not lazy, it's efficient. Why your brain avoids thinking? Your brain makes up just 2% of your body weight, but it uses over 20% of your daily energy. So it evolved to save energy not wasted on constant deep thought. This is why your brain defaults to quick reactions and mental shortcuts. This is known as System 1 thinking. Fast, automatic, effortless. It helps us survive, but it also makes us trust headlines without reading the article, judge people instantly, repeat thoughts and reactions on autopilot. The problem: these shortcuts protect us from exhaustion, but they also trap us in poor decisions, cognitive biases, living on autopilot instead of choice. How to fix it? Train your brain to think deeply. 1. Notice your inner voice when a thought shows up. Pause and ask, is this really my thought, or just a mental habit? This one question shifts you from automatic to conscious thinking, from System 1 to System 2. 2. Slow down fast. Decisions bore saying, I know this. Ask, do I really? Or am I just assuming? 3. Practice healthy skepticism. Doubt is not weakness. It's a defense against mental laziness. Doubt the headline, doubt the crowd, even doubt your own certainty. 4. Journal your thoughts every day. Write down one idea or decision and ask, why did I feel this way? Was my reaction logical or automatic? What could I have done differently? This builds metacognition, thinking about your thinking. 5. Read slowly. Think to apply. It's not how many books you read, it's how many ideas you digest. Take one idea, pause, reflect, apply it. 6. Surround yourself with thinkers. Environment rewires the brain. Find people who challenge ideas, not repeat them. Join communities that think. The truth: your brain isn't your enemy, but it needs training. And every time you stop and think, you shape not just your mind, but your future. Think Wired. Smarter thinking, simplified. Subscribe now, because your brain deserves better.